Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you step by step how you can set up a live chat option on Shopify using Shopify Inbox app. This is the best live chat on Shopify right now and it's totally free to use. I will show you how you can set up this app on your store. Let's get started. Go to your Shopify dashboard and select Apps. Now you can search for Shopify Inbox. Click on this and which will directly take you to this page. You can install the app from here. Click on Install button to get this app. Once it is done, you will see a page like this. Now let's set up the app on our Shopify store. Just click the Setup Chat button and it will take us to the Shopify theme editor. Here on the left hand side, we need to make sure that this option is enabled. This will enable the live chat option on the bottom right of this page. Next, you will see some customization options here, which will help you change the look and feel of this store. For example, we can change the background color from here, and then I will also change the button color to black. Now you can see that chat option has turned red, and if you click on it, you will see the button in black color. You can also change the chat icon from here. For now, I will use the hand wave icon. Next, we can also change the label. So I will select a different label. We can also change the position of this chat option using these options. And last, we have the greeting messages here. You can add your own greetings here, and when a customer opens the chat box, they will see these greeting messages. Then make sure to save all the changes by clicking the Save button. Now I am going back to the store dashboard. Refresh this page to check if everything is updated successfully. Here you can see that the app is on. Next, look on the left side for the chat settings. Here you can set up quick answers to your customers' common questions. It's like having a FAQ section, but it shows up in the chat box. You will see some suggestions from Shopify. When you click on them, Shopify uses its AI to create instant questions, and we can customize the answer according to our need. You can edit this information, and on the right side, you can preview how your customers will see these questions and answers. Make sure to save your changes by clicking the Save button at the top. Also, turn on this option so the question shows up in the chat box. You can create more instant questions and answers here following the step I showed you earlier. Once you are done, you can rearrange these questions to fit your preferences. Next, when you scroll down, you will see this pre-chat form. If you enable this option, you will be able to gather your customers' data, such as their name and email, even before making a conversation with them. Next, we need to set up the available hours. So click here on the left side and then you can enter your daily availability time here. Simply click on this and then select a time from the drop down. Select the time for every day. You can also go to more action options here and select the option that fits your need. Then I will also enable this automated first reply option, which will send an automated reply to our customers based on our availability. You can also click on these responses and customize them if you want to. But for now, I will leave it as it is. With this step, our entire setup is complete. Now we can test the live chat system and see if everything is working fine. Go to online store. Next, I will go to the chat box here. First up, we have the instant answers. If I click on any of these questions, I will instantly get the answers to the question. I will go back and then try this with other question. The instant answers are working fine. Next, I will simply type something here as a customer, and you can see that as soon as I did, I got this pop-up here asking me to enter my name and email. To continue further, the customer need to enter these details, so I will quickly enter these details. And then click on this Start Chat button. Alright, as soon as I did that, my question was sent to the chat box, and you can see that I have got an automated message that someone will contact us to assist me. Alright, at this point, everything seems to be working fine. Now I will show you the admin panel and how you can respond to your customers. So I will go back to the dashboard and then refresh this page. I will click on this view message button. This is where you will able to view all of your customers' message. Here you can see the message that I sent as a customer. And now we can respond to the questions as an admin. You can use this option to access all the quick replies. Simply select the message you want to send to your customer. You can even customize it and then send it to your customers. Next, if you are running an offer or discount, then you can use this option to send the discount codes directly to your customers. You can even attach some products to your replies using this option. Lastly, you can send a photo or video to your customer to solve their problem. Here you can see the message indicating that the email failed to deliver because the address I provided earlier was invalid. That's why it's showing like this. Next, on the top bar, you will see this option. By using these options, you can close the conversation, assign staff to manage the customers, or even block spam messages. For now, I will simply close this conversation. You can access these conversations from the Close tab if you want to, and you will also be able to filter out conversation using this option. And that is basically everything you need to learn about Shopify Inbox. Shopify Inbox is completely free to use app. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to set up the live chat on your Shopify store using Shopify Inbox app. It is a great way to connect with your customer and enhance their shopping experience. If you have any questions or need help with your Shopify store, feel free to contact us today.